What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this foot massager right here. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now showing you how this works is really simple. Before I go ahead and put my feet in here, it is worth mentioning that we do have zippers right here, and you can easily go ahead and remove this inner part to clean it, which is nice. So if you have multiple people using this, different feet, you want to clean it, you can go ahead and do that. Another thing that's nice about this one is that we do get this remote right here, and this will give you all of the same controls that are actually on the unit. Now I'm going to use the controls on the unit, but again, you do have the remote, which is nice. Now putting your feet in here, once you have this plugged in, you'll notice the red flashing light. That lets us know we do have power. That's really good too. So if you're not sure if your outlet's working or something, you know we have power there. And all we have to do is hit power, and now we're ready to go. And for our timer right here, we can select between 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So 15 minutes is the red light. We switch it, it will go ahead and go to 30 minutes. For our heat, we just have the option to turn it off and turn it right back on. Then we have our kneading and our air compression. And those have 3 different levels. So we have low, medium, and high. When you turn this on, every time you turn this on, these are going to be set to low by default and your heat will be on. So if I turn it off and then I go ahead and I turn it back on, all those settings are going to be the same. Even if you change them, they're going to be the same every time you turn this on. So for kneading, it is on low. It feels good, but let's move the kneading up to medium and I'll let you know how it feels. Okay, so that is really, really good. And then we'll turn the kneading up to high. Oh yeah. So that's going to give you a really, really nice massage on the bottom of your feet. Now the air compression is going to give you some compression in the actual place where your feet are. So it's going to give you a tighter fit. So we'll turn the kneading down. You can turn these off as well. So if you don't want the air compression or the kneading off, you can just, and then we have no LEDs as you can see right there. So we'll put the kneading on low and put the air compression on medium. And it gives us a little bit more air compression in there. And then we'll turn the air compression on high. And again, that gives you just more air compression in there. So really easy to use the control panel. Again, if you're sitting down like I am, you can easily access it. If you want to, again, you do have the remote here, which is really, really nice as well. And I've had this on for just a few minutes now. And that heat is starting to heat up, so it does feel really, really nice on my feet. But this is really easy to use. On top of that, it does feel really, really good. Now, beyond showing you what this can do, another thing I like about this one is that it's pretty light. Like you can pick this up quite easily, and you can get this one in different colors. So I have the white here, but it is available in a handful of different colors as well, which is definitely nice. I didn't mention that the power connection is right here on the side. You can see it right there, but it's a very simple unit, very easy to use. So if you are looking for a great foot massager that does have heat, this is one that I would definitely recommend.